Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to enable Discord account switcher option. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, you have to open Discord on browser and then press Ctrl+Shift+I at the same time, and the console will open up here. And now here you have to enter a code, and you will get this code in video description below. So paste the code here and hit enter, and after that close the console mode and now go to your user settings, scroll down, and here you will get this new option here, experiment. So click on it and scroll down, and here you will find this option, desktop multi-account. So click on it and click this option, and from here select treatment 1, and after that close the settings panel and now click on your profile, and here you will get this switch accounts option, and from here you can switch any accounts, or you can click on manage accounts to add or remove any account from here. So this was how we can enable switch accounts on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute it. Thank you for watching.